Hello everyone, my name is Violet Halushka. I'm an insurance advisor with Wealth State Insurance Brokerage. Today I'll be talking to you about beneficiaries. Welcome, and I invite you to watch my next video. There are two types of beneficiaries that you can have on your life insurance policy. There's a primary beneficiary and a contingent beneficiary. A primary beneficiary is somebody who would receive the proceeds next in line. Usually it's a spouse, it can be a wife, a husband, sometimes a child. You can have more than one primary beneficiary. So if you wish to split your policy and leave the proceeds not only to your spouse, but some to your children or anybody else, a charity sometimes, you can do that. So primary beneficiary is somebody next in line to your contract. A contingent beneficiary is somebody behind your primary beneficiary. So to give you an example, let's say a mother and a father are traveling together and the child is being left with grandparents. God forbid if something happens to the person insured and the primary beneficiary at the same time, the child would be the contingent beneficiary on your life insurance policy. So the contingent beneficiary basically receives the proceeds only if the primary beneficiary is no longer able to receive the proceeds on your contract. Aside from a primary and contingent beneficiary, another term that sometimes people are not aware of is revocable versus irrevocable beneficiary. This is something that I think personally is very important for a client to know. So what does it mean? You design your spouse as a revocable beneficiary, you can always change your primary beneficiary anytime without letting you know that you have changed their name on your life insurance contract. You have full control over your policy. Irrevocable beneficiary is a person that has to agree on the contract for you to make the change. So if you want to make a change in the future from your primary beneficiary to another person, and that person was signed as an irrevocable beneficiary, they have to sign the agreement on the change. A very important thing is also to keep your beneficiaries on your life insurance policy and your executors in your will updated. For example, if you bought your life insurance policy before you got married, and let's say your sister is your primary beneficiary on your life insurance policy and you've never updated, then you got married, you have kids, and you're writing a will with your husband. Let's say your husband is the primary executor for everything that you possess. If something happens, it passes over to him. That life insurance policy will still go entirely to your sister. Another thing is a trustee. If your contingent beneficiary is your child and that child is a minor, you have to design a trustee who will take care of that plan if God forbid something happens to you. So make sure you have those trustees updated as well, okay? Sometimes things happen if it's a grandmother or a grandfather and they're no longer around, you have to change those trustees on your life insurance contract. If your spouse or anybody from your family is still a beneficiary on your plan and they are no longer alive, the policy will go to your estate. This is very, very important. I see policies every day, policies that have been issued 20, 30 years ago. Beneficiaries on those policies are people who are no longer alive. And you have to really pay attention to this. Keep wills and life insurance policies with the same executors or beneficiaries. If God forbid something happens to you, your life insurance policy will be directly paid out to your beneficiary if you're not gonna make the right changes and update your beneficiary designation on your life insurance contract. So make sure you call your life insurance company or call your agent, call any broker, and they can make those changes for you. So that is all that I wanted to talk to you about today. I invite you to watch my future videos, subscribe to my YouTube channel and Facebook as well. Thank you very much for listening and have a wonderful day.